This is what they're stocking. Old patterns. They're priced $8.94. They're older patterns. Costa. Older ones. These are $2.97. It's so simple. By Mccall'S. So hi, Arleathia back with another video. I went back to the local Walmart and I found 3 patterns. 2 for children's and 1 ladies dress wear. So the first one is so simple. This is a Mccall'S pattern. This particular pattern was $4.97 and the style is L9464 and sizes 3 through 8. And as you can see, is a child's dress with 2 views, A and B. And here is called a child's sundress. The only thing you need for this project would be your thread, your fabric, and I'm not sure, I don't think it calls for interfacing. And this is a nice little tie over the shoulder dress, and you can color block it. Very nice. This is a better view of the line drawings, the tie, front and back. 2 views to choose from, and it's again L9464. Okay, so the next one is It's So Simple by Mccall'S, style L9604, extra small to extra large. Is a adult dress, and it's called Mrs. Dresses. This is definitely color blocked, and the pieces show you how to do it. There are, for A, you have 1 through 12 pieces. This pattern was $2.97. The first one was $4.97, and both were It's So Simple by Mccall'S. One was a child, and this one is an adult. You have all of these pieces. This is your front of your dress and the back. I thought it was rather nice. Nice little project to work on. You have some sleeve. You have the sleeve option or no sleeves. And this is designed for lightweight woven fabrics. And the third and last one that I have, it's called It's So Easy. It's Simplicity Style L9702, sizes 3 to 8, another child's pattern, and it was $2.97. I really dug down in those drawers today at another nearby Walmart. This is how it's looking on the back. And your fabrics are cotton types. It's a woven pattern. This pattern does call for interfacing. And the only thing you would use for this is a 1/2 inch button. But I would like to make this as a t-shirt dress. Either buy the t-shirt from the store and measure it by the pattern pieces that's included in the envelope, or just make it out of stretch material. So this is a nice pattern. So you need your thread, your fabric, and I'm not using a button or fastener for this. So again, it's so easy. It's simplicity. L9702. It was $2.97, and this pattern goes from size 3 to 8. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.